Hi. So you're looking for a decent Amazon software tool to run your business, manage your business, or even get started. So the key really is, what stage of the business are you at? Are you selling already? Are you on Amazon? Are you on multiple platforms? Because the tools you're going to need are very different at different stages in the business. So if you're just getting started out, we'll cover that in a little bit. And if you're selling across dozens of platforms, then most likely you're going to need a very complicated enterprise solution. So what I'm going to go through is my recommendations for software tools for people who have launched their first product and or are looking for a new product and managing between, say, 1 and 1,000 products. And I'm a little bit biased because I do help out here at Zillionaire, so it's obviously going to be the number one featured tool. I will cover some others too that will be useful to you as well. So day-to-day management, metrics, inventory. So really what you need is sales stats. How are things selling? How much profit are you making? What are your refunds? What are your costs? What are your ratings? And many different tools provide that information. It's just about what's easiest for you to use. And here at Zillionaire, we've created what we think is the best interface, the best dashboard, which you can also customize 100% exactly the way you want to see and the metrics you want to see, so you get all of that information that you need to run your business. And different sellers use that information in different ways. Some people are focusing on the 6 to 12 month picture. Some people want to see how they did last week. All of that's available in the tool in Zillionaire, and you can customize the dates, the range, and even the order of metrics that you see and what metrics you see for each product. So when it comes to recommending a day-to-day product, it's got to be Zillionaire. And then in terms of inventory management, again, the levels of complexity here is everything from you ship from one supplier directly into Amazon, done. Your inventory management is actually very, very simple, because you can just look at the Amazon dashboard or in Zillionaire on the dashboard and just see how much inventory you have and then reorder when you need to reorder more. If, on the other hand, you're now using a warehouse separate to Amazon, it gets a little bit more complicated. And the solution in Zillionaire covers, when you're going to run out of stock, how much you're selling per day, when you should reorder, how much you should reorder. It's got all of those recommendations in it. And the team is in the process of also adding in managing external warehouses. So if you'd like to see that feature, sign up, mention it, and it'll be implemented faster in terms of getting it live for your account as well. And so in terms of inventory management, for the vast majority of sellers with 1 to 1,000 products, really a tool like Zillionaire will cover what you need. And that's zillionaire.com. Are you relatively new to Amazon, or are you adding new products? Then the tools you're going to need are a little bit different. So I would recommend Jungle Scout as the main way to see what's selling, what markets are performing well, and then drill in detail to see which potential products you could sell. Even if you're an existing seller, I still think it's the best starting point for product research. There are other product research tools out there. There's a lot of them, but Jungle Scout has been doing it the longest, and it does have the most detail, and it's in a way that's easy to understand. There's other tools like Helium. The way they present the data, you kind of almost need to be a sophisticated seller already to be able to use it. And it doesn't necessarily it just picks out different products to what Jungle Scout would do. I wouldn't say either one's better, but I would say that Jungle Scout is simpler for new to medium sellers for sure. And then the other main thing really for anyone with an Amazon business or account is keyword research. I think it's key for Amazon ads, your listing optimization. It's absolutely the most important thing you need for your listing and your products. So I would say spend a lot of time doing keyword research and making sure that your product listing is the absolute best possible. And the tools I would recommend for that are Merchant Words and the Google Keyword Planner. Between the two of those, you should be able to find most of what you need, plus going onto Amazon itself and researching the different competitor products and seeing what keywords that they have in there. And that's literally a manual scan word by word to seeing what they're saying on their listings to see if you get any ideas for things you can copy. There are tools that scrape keywords of competitors, take keywords of competitors' listings, but then you end up with a list of 1,000 keywords, 80% of which are junk, and you have to go through them one by one and delete them anyway. So you're better off just starting with top 10 competitors' listings, looking at them one by one, and then pulling out the top 10, 20, 30 keywords that you think, I could use this, I could use this. They added the misspelling there, or they added this metric or this specification into the keywords so that more people find them too. And I think that's the best way. Thank you. Are you looking to grow your Amazon business? Zillionaire is the best Amazon metrics software. It has dozens of great features, including real-time profit and loss, inventory management, Amazon PPC ad optimization, custom dashboards, and much, much more. Head on over to zillionaire.com and sign up today. The link is in the description below.